Welcome back. We're thrilled to have you here to delve into the ins and outs of your scouting events. In this demonstration, I'll guide you through the seamless process of adding scouting records, capturing detailed observations, posting an insightful recommendation, and effortlessly emailing the entire report. To get started, open your FarmCommand app now. The most effective way to grasp these skills is by actively following along. Once you've got the app open, tap Fields to start. On the map, swipe up to find a list of fields. We'll select the field we created in the last training. Now, tap the plus icon and choose Scouting Record. When I begin my scouting record, I like to take notes about the field conditions or the reason for the scouting event. So I'm just going to note that the field had rain recently, and that weeds are beginning to emerge. Then I'll tap Start and begin my trek across the field to make observations. Because I'm scouting for weeds, I'm going to tap the plus sign next to that observation type. The app then opens the workflow for a weed observation and puts a pin on the map. When I'm in the field with GPS enabled, the pin will drop at my location. Since I'm not in the field for this demo, I'll move the pin by holding and dragging it on the screen. Alright, now I'll select the type of weed from the list. The weeds I've recently used will show up at the top of the list, so they're easy to find. I'll continue to fill in the details beginning with the growth stage of the weed. And then moving on, I'll record the density of that weed across the entire field, along the edges and in patches. Finally, I'll note that this area of the field has a large patch of this weed. When I'm ready to move on, I just select Save. I'm going to quickly add 2 more weed observations to this scouting record, one for kochia and one for Canada thistle. As you use the app, it will learn your preferences for each observation type. For example, the app knows I like to use the leaf growth stage for foxtail barley and the inch scale for kochia. It also recalls that when I'm scouting weeds, I generally use the % infestation scale. As I finish up this observation, I'm also done scouting this field. At this point, I can select Finish or Email, but I want to add a herbicide recommendation, so instead, I'm going to select Edit. Today I observed 3 different weeds. I want the grower to know he has 2 product options depending on the leaf stage of his crop. So I'm going to make that recommendation in the comment section now. After checking the box on the comments, I'll select Update and then Finish. Now I want to email this to the grower. If you're handling multiple records, just select the relevant entries by checking the boxes next to them, and then tap Send. Here, you can choose to send to one or more of your contacts. Or, if it's someone new you want to send to, simply type a new email address in the box to add a contact. After sending, you will see confirmation on the screen. For those who are receiving a report for the first time, there will be an email sent containing a link that they need to click to confirm their willingness to receive these valuable reports. Rest assured, when they receive the report, it will be nothing short of professional. The report's richness lies in its thorough documentation of detailed observations, pinpointing the exact location of each observation, the specific pest scouted, the growth stage, density metrics, and any additional comments you've provided. This approach ensures that the recipients not only receive a wealth of information. Your commitment to precision and clarity will undoubtedly shine through in every aspect of the delivered report. Thanks for watching and choosing to partner with us. Happy scouting!